Today is Tuesday, July 23rd, and this is another update on my progress beating the S&P 500 along with Bill Ackman's Pershing Square holdings. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. The only move that I've made since my last update was I sold 75% of what I had in PayPal. It's pretty tough for me to hang on to a position when the market goes up and the stock continues to go down, and PayPal definitely falls into that category right now. They do report their earnings on Tuesday, July 30th, which is why I'm hanging on to 25% of it. When they report their earnings, if they have good news, I'll definitely consider buying back into it. This is what the SPY chart looks like right now. Over the last 2 days, we have bounced off of the old new high level, which is definitely a good sign for the market. Instead of bouncing like it did over the last couple of days, there was a decent chance that it actually could have fallen farther down. So it seems as though the previously set all-time highs is acting like a pretty good resistance level right now. The SPY price, the 5-day and the 15-day are all pretty much exactly at the same spot. So right now it's pretty hard to predict whether the market's going to go up or down. From tomorrow, the Fed meeting is 1 week away. I talked about in the previous update how the CME Fed Watch had a 2.8% probability of no rate cut at the September meeting, when just about a week before that it was at 0%. It's now gone from 2.8% to 3.8%. What I'm hoping what happens with the markets is that they stay pretty flat going into the Fed meeting, because we've already come down quite a bit since the new all-time highs. So if we stay at the levels that we're at now and Jerome Powell doesn't really give any good indication of a rate cut by September, the market might not go down all that much. And if anything, if he does kind of hint that a rate cut in September would be coming, the market could bounce from there. This is the first page of all my current positions, showing 13 out of 18. Right now, Nvidia, Apple, Google, Microsoft, and C3 AI make out my top 5, and those account for 47.43% of my portfolio. Nvidia and Apple are still my biggest winners. Spotify reported good earnings today, so I'm currently at a 10.78% gain on that. These are the remaining 5 positions. With the 75% that I sold out of PayPal, I'm now at 94% invested and 6% sitting in cash. Since Monday, my portfolio had a gain of 2.86%. Pershing Square saw a decline of 0.1, and the S&P 500 had a gain of 0.9, which brings us year to date. My portfolio has a gain of 22.83. Pershing Square is at a gain of 20.43, and the S&P 500 on the year has a gain of 17.14. That's all I got for today. I do make these videos every Tuesday and Sunday, so if you want to follow along, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on Sunday.